City Hall. The new City Hall. Ayan. So, dati guys, hindi dati. May dancing fountain dyan. So, sa gabi, there's lights and all. People gather to watch the fountain show. Nandito po kami sa City Hall guys, and we are going to get our QR codes, and at the same time may appointment po kami ni Mayor with the upcoming Christmas music video kasi Jules and I wrote a song. It's entitled Gift of Christmas. Abangan niyo po yan guys, and we are planning to pitch this song as like bilang ID, station ID ng Tagbilaran City. So nandito po ako, and apparently, we have to get our QR codes. So, para saan yung QR codes? Yung QR codes po ay i-assign to each person. Tapos, parang ano siya, replacement, substitute ng mga quarantine pass. So, I think starting January, ma-implement po yan. They look happy. Okay. Pila mo bago papasok. Okay, so bago papasok, pupunta sa intelligent disinfection door. Sana all intelligent door. Yan. So, guarantee talaga yung safety dito sa City Hall. A good news for you. Wala pa sila. Yep. High-tech. What is the scanner? Some kind of scanner. Distribute sila ng mga QR code.
26, window 22.
So, ngayon, hinihintay na po namin yung printing. Piniprint na yung QR code namin. So, dito po, in charge sila sa printing.
Spelling my name.
Ano naman?
Pwede
mo i-change.
Window 22.
Okay. So, show them our QR codes.
No, we're not gonna show their QR code.
Show ba? Show your face lang. Come on.
This is my home.
Why is it your home?
Because I was an athlete before.
She used to claim money.
Yeah, everywhere.
Sana. Tapoy man. Office of the City Mayor. Where are you going? Oh, this. So, So guys, unfortunately, hindi po namin na-meet si Mayor kasi ano siya, medyo busy siya. Hindi siya nakabalik dito sa City Hall. So, we're gonna take a quick look around the place. Last look and then, yes. So we're at the highest floor. So that's where the city mayor's office is located. Where do we go? Exit. Oh, yeah. Bye-bye. So that was it. We have our QR codes now, guys. And ipapalaminate na namin yun. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this vlog. We hope that you are informed and you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next vlog.